We are now ready to see another Kama machine, which is one of our masterpieces all over the world, I say, and also which is getting more and more appreciation also in the Middle Eastern market, because this is a wraparound case packer, and it's a very good machine for tertiary packaging. So to put your product into shipping cases, corrugated board. We work with flat blanks, okay? So we have the carton flat on the magazine, but at the exit we will give you a perfectly square box, which is okay for palletizing, transport, and even is suitable for display, because you can remove a part of the box to let the customer see the products inside. How it works? We saw the carton is on the magazine. The machine is taking down the carton, putting the carton into loading position. Then the product is coming from upstream packaging machine, which could be doi packs, it could be a smaller carton that you want to put in whatever configuration, 3x2, 4x6, into your shipping case. So we collate the product and gently we put the product on top of the flat carton. The wraparound machine concept is to wrap the carton around the product. It's our job, let's say, to design the box which is perfectly dressing your group of products. So what we need to know in Kama is what you need to pack and how it has to look like once it comes out from the machine. This machine, the wraparound case packer, is, I think, a very good alternative to the standard shipping cases, because with this machine you can run faster, so making more carton cases per minute, up to 30, and you save material, because to make a carton like this you use less carton than when using an American cases. So it's a cost-effective machine because it's helping you saving money. Then, problem in flat blank design, this is not absolutely a problem for you, because as Daniele mentioned before, we have a packaging design team in Kama with 4 people that, according to what is your need for the final packaging, will design exactly the carton needed, and will give suggestions about the glue you need to close the carton, the best shape, which is making easy for your carton supplier to make the right flat blank, which is working perfectly on our machine. Before going to the end of the machine, as we are in this position, I would like to take the chance to drive your attention to this part, where we have a very easy to be used touch screen panel, and this column is a part of what used to be the electrical cabinet, because as you can see, or I'm afraid you cannot see very well because we cannot go completely around the machine, but Kama machines, they have no electrical cabinet, because all the electronic components and pneumatic components are stored into the column of the machine. So what is the advantage? Is that we can go around the machine, checking exactly and having under our eyes at every time all the part of the packaging process. We have easy to access to the machine. Easy access means if I release the doors, I can go in, check the machine, intervene, making some adjustments, safely close. There is no man inside features, and once the machine is closed, you have to restore. So once again, safety first. The result of this wraparound case packer is at the end a shipping case, perfectly done, perfectly squared, and we have easy opening features so that you can open easily and put on the shelves of the supermarket directly, saving a lot of time and also carton when considering the box design. So this is a very effective machine. We have been installing this kind of machine all over the world. It's very well appreciated. And once again, all the assistance you have to have a perfect job is at our charge. It's our pleasure to make things working well for you.